Hi there. What's next for Dogecoin? We're looking at the weekly chart of Dogecoin with Wyckoff tags, and before getting into the details, these sessions are not financial advice, they are for education and research purpose only. Looking at the chart, previously I've already put down these orange tags for accumulation cycle, and over the past 2 weeks the price has come down for Dogecoin from what I presume to be automatic rally from the selling climax. So the reason I put these tags over here, I've explained like last week's session or even earlier weeks, is because if we look at these orange tags, one much longer accumulation cycle and one much shorter last year, that's basically a good reference point that we are quite possibly in a new accumulation cycle. Though, be careful, if we look at this selling climax and then this one here, currently we're sitting somewhere between the level of those two. So it's not either too high or too low compared to two. The point I'm trying to bring out is, even though it's not too low, it's, if we look at the previous accumulation cycle, this can be like, it's not the lowest point. That's what I'm trying to bring out. Even for the previous two accumulation cycle, there are price points lower than the selling climax. So even the terminology or the naming of it is the selling climax, it doesn't mean the price has to be the lowest. So there would still be tests coming to see how fear people holding Dogecoin would be, and like, are they going to let go of their Dogecoin? So that's the big picture. We'll continue to see some fluctuations. When the price comes down, it can go back up a little and then retest it again, much like what we've seen over here. But generally speaking, they are lower peaks. If there's like a higher one, then maybe it's a very short accumulation cycle. That's a possibility. If we look at the daily chart, currently, after trying to stay above the white box for about a week or two, over the past 6-7 days, defending along the top edge of the white box. Last 2 days, the price eventually come down to the top edge of the blue box. So these boxes that I've drawn like since March, I think, the white one obviously is much longer if you have been following these sessions. The blue box has been drawn around March-April time, and now we are getting into June and it's still having its relevance over here. It's not a strong support at this point, but you can see yesterday it closed near the top edge of the blue box, and today the price was trading pretty much sticking to the edge of this blue box. So what's next would probably be continuing this test between the yellow line and the top edge of the blue. If this yellow line cannot support the price, people getting too fearful and there are no further demand, then this yellow line wouldn't be able to be defended, and then the price would start to trade at the lower half of the blue box. You can see that's a much longer period over here, from March to third week of April. Here there's only like 2 weeks, so it's like 60-40 chance I would say that these Dogecoin are going to be traded within this range, this more likely than the top. So it's a matter of how many days it would take for Dogecoin to come back down to the lower half of the box. So that's for Dogecoin.